Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to the beach with my best friend, so I decided to vlog this whole thing, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm doing my nails, but I needed to finish the other hand and I have to leave in an hour, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but we'll try. Here's the finished set. They're not my favorite, but considering the fact that I was in a time crunch, I think it's alright. Okay, right now I'm eating cold Alfredo without the broccoli. By the way, we do have seasoning, it's just all at the bottom, but I have a lot of stuff. Oh, I'm ashy. I got some rice cakes. Okay, so what? Anyways, this is the outfit I'm gonna be wearing to the beach. I also will wear these shorts. My room is a little questionable right now, and I want to shave, so I think I am. I put the shower cap on just in case. I just cut the bug and I don't know where it went, and I don't even want to shower anymore. Okay, I'm deciding which bag I should put my stuff in since I'm not showering. But I think I might go with this one. I just feel like it's cute. And then if I get sand in it, it's going to be easy to get the sand out. I'm going to put my outfit on. Ooh. So I'm going to put my outfit on. Okay guys, my best friend came and now we're on the way to go to the beach. Look at that.
Bad woman. Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, down the Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't get pushed. I'm on the floor, I love to dance. I'm feeling more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you actually watched it, I'm actually editing it right now, but comment down below if you want to see any more of these. Bye guys.